Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Residence Inn by Marriott Indianapolis Keystone. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Residence Inn by Marriott Indianapolis Keystone has free bikes, fitness center, a terrace and bar in Indianapolis. This 3-star hotel offers a 24-hour front desk, dry cleaning services and free Wi-Fi. Indiana State Fairgrounds is 8.1 miles away and Marsh Grandstand is 8.5 miles from the hotel. The rooms in the hotel are equipped with a TV and a hairdryer. A continental breakfast is available each morning at Residence Inn by Marriott Indianapolis Keystone. The accommodation offers 3-star accommodations with an indoor pool. Lucas Oil Stadium is 14 miles from Residence Inn by Marriott Indianapolis Keystone, while Indianapolis Motor Speedway is 16 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Indianapolis Regional Airport, 16 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.